Hello students, this is Joydeep sir. Today we will discuss on exercise 1.2. Express 3825 as a product of prime factors. So first do LCM this process, then write 3825 equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. It is the product of prime factors and no one is composite number, all are prime numbers. Next one is find HCF and LCM, then prove product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Then LCM of 510. Do this process. 510 equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17 and 92 2 square into 23. HCF is product of smallest powers of the common factors. So in 510 and 92 there is 2 as common and no number is common, just 2 common, so smallest power of 2 is here, so 2 is HCF. Next one is LCM, greatest powers of the prime factors. So write all the prime factors and also greatest powers. So here 2 and 2 square, greatest power is 2 square, write 2 square. 5 is prime factor, write 5. 3 prime factor, write 3. Write 17 as prime factor, 17. 23, write also 23. Product is 23460. Product of two numbers is 510 into 92, which is this number, and LCM and HCF, product of HCF and LCM is also 46920. So product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Next question, we need to prove 6 to the power n do not end with 0 for any natural number n. So when a number has 0 as last digit, then it will divide by 10. Just check 1340, which is divided by 10. So 10, factor of 10 is 2 into 5. So when a number is divided by 10, then there will be 2 and 5 as factors of that number. So when a digit 0 of a number, there will be last digit 0 of a number, so it will be divided by 2 and 5. But 6 to the power n equal to 2 into 3 whole to the power n. So 6 has two prime factors, which is 2 and 3, so there have no 5. Since 5 is not present in the prime factorization, therefore there is no natural number n for which 6 to the power n ends with the digit 0. Again we repeat this, when there is 0 as last digit of a number, so it will be divided by 10. So 10, factor of 10 is 2 into 5. So there will be 2 and 5 of that number when it will be divided by 10. So 6 to the power n, there is no 5 as factors, so it will be not ending with 0 for any natural number n. Remember that. Next sum is prove that this number is composite number. So common 5, take 5 common, then write this and calculate this, which is 1009. 1009 is also a prime number, it is a prime number. So this number is product of two prime factors, which is 5 and 1009, and 1 also a prime factors of any number, so it is the product of prime factors 5 and 1009. It has more than 2 factors because 1 also a factor and also 1009 also the number itself as a factor, so it has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Prove that root 3 is irrational number. Let us assume to the contrary that root 3 is rational. First we let root 3 is rational number, then we prove our assumption is wrong, root 3 is irrational. So check how to prove. We can find integer a and b such that root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime. just take it, where a and b are co-prime. Then a equal to root 3b, multiply, cross multiplication, a equal to root 3b, squaring in both sides, a square equal to 3b square. Therefore a square is divisible by 3. From this equation we can say a square is divisible by 3, because if 63 equal to 3 into 21, then 63 is divided by 3. So a square is divisible by 3. So a also is divisible by 3. If 5 square 15 square is divisible by 3, then 15 also divisible by 3. Remember that. If 15 square is divisible by 3, then 15 also divisible by 3. So a square is divisible by 3, then we can write a is also divisible by 3. Let a equal to 3c for some integer c. Put here 3c whole square, which is 9c square, equal to 3b square. Cut 3 from both sides, then 3c square equal to b square. Therefore b square is divisible by 3. Also b is divisible by 3. And a and b have a common factor 3, but we first let a and b are co-prime, so no number is common except 1. Just 1 is common, but no other number is common. But here 3 is common factor of a and b, but this contradicts that a and b are co-prime. Therefore root 3 is not a rational number. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore root 3 is irrational. Exercise 1.3, question number 2. Prove that root 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Let us assume that the contrary, that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Therefore we can find co-prime of a and b such that 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b. Therefore 3 goes to right side, then 3 2 root 5 equal to a by b minus 3. Then 2 goes to right side, then it will be a by 2b minus 3 by 2. Then LCM is 2b, then a minus 3b. A minus 3b by 2b, for any number a and b integers, it will be a rational number. But also root 3 root 5 also a rational number, but it is not possible. This contradicts that the fact root 5 is irrational. Our assumption is wrong, then 3 plus root 5 is rational. Thank you students. Do left the 1.x3.